Hello everybody, Lolita's in the kitchen and she's cooking good old comfort food, chicken and dumplings. So what will you need to make your chicken and dumplings? And I'm going to make them in the Instant Pot because I love to pressure cook my thighs and make them so tender and juicy. So I've already did that. I took 4 thighs and cooked them in the Instant Pot for 12 minutes on pressure cook. So here they are. I've already cooked them and I am now shredding them up. So come on over here and look at the Instant Pot. If you don't have one, you better get one at Amazon. Love it, love it, love it. Now look at the juice right here, which I will add some more chicken broth to this. Let me turn this around. Chicken broth, of course. And I'm going to show you how I make these dumplings. So stay tuned because Lolita wants you to see how good these are because we love our comfort food and we want you to enjoy some comfort food too. Stay tuned. Alrighty, you're going to mix up 2 cups of Pioneer's baking mix to make your dumplings. Alrighty, I laid down 2 large sized parchment wax paper. Then I put a lot of flour over the parchment paper because now I'm getting ready to roll out my dumplings while my juice is heating to hot. So hold on, because here we go. Alrighty, we're going to take this good chicken and put it in this boiling, oh goodness, I didn't mean to splatter it. Oh goodness. See, it's kind of hard to do all this. Okay, the chicken meat is in there. Okay, as you can see, I've got all the dumplings rolled out and ready to put into the broth. So let's do it the simple way. We're going to cut it with a pizza cutter. So watch this, how simple this is. It's the best way to make your dumplings. Don't use a knife, baby. Just cut them out like this. Alrighty. Now, I'm going to put some, we're going to drop them in this hot let's see, needs to get a little hotter again. I think it's going to be okay though. It's boiling, so let's just drop our dumplings in there and let them do what they do. Now I have added in here, and it's all up to you, but I put parsley, I put poultry seasoning, pepper, salt. Yes, I do. Keep dropping these babies in here. And then I have to mix some cornstarch to thicken it a little bit. Come on now. And I will show you all the finished product real soon. Voila! Does that look good or what?